Hi my dear student. Now we will discuss find the inverse of the following matrices. Exercise 1.1, second one, third sum. Let us take the given matrix as A. Let us take A equal to 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 2. In this case, we want to find out the inverse. Inverse formula is A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. First find out determinant A. Whether determinant A not equal to 0 only inverse exists. So determinant A. It will be 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 7, 2. Now expand the determinant. Plus 2, open bracket, just leave the respective row and column. I have 4, 1, 7, 2. 4 2s are 8, 7 1s are 7, opposite sign minus, minus 3, just leave the respective row and column. I have 3 1, 3 2. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, opposite sign minus 3, plus 1, open bracket, just leave the respective row and column. 3 4, 3 7. 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12 with minus, opposite side. 8 minus 7, 1. 2 times 1, minus 3. 6 minus 3, 3. Plus 1. 21 minus 12, 9. 2 1s are 2. Minus into plus minus. 3 3s are 9. Plus 1 9s are 9. It will be 2, which is not equal to 0. Determinant A not equal to 0. Then A inverse exists. For A inverse, you want to find out adjoint A. Before finding adjoint A, you want to find out the cofactor matrix. Let Aij be the cofactor matrix. Okay. How to find out the cofactor matrix? For this matrix, just leave the respective row and column. For the first element, 4 1 7 2. See? 2. First element, just leave the respective row and column. What is left? 4 1 7 2. For this element, just leave the respective row and column. 3 1 3 2. For the third element, just leave the respective row and column. 3 4 3 7. For this element, just leave the respective row and column. 3 1 7 2. For this element 4, just leave the respective row and column. 2 1 3 2 left. For this one, just leave the respective row and column. 2 3 3 7 left. For this element, just leave the respective row and column. 3 1 4 1. For this element 7, just leave the respective row and column. 2 1 3 1. For the last element 2, just leave the respective row and column. 2 3 3 4 left. Got it? Followed alternative sign. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now expand. 8 minus 7. This is minus. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 6 minus 3. For the second, for this one, you want to change the sign. For here, 7 3s are 21. 4 3s are 12 plus 12. So you want to write minus 12. For this one, I have minus outside. 3 2s are 6. 7 1s are 7. So minus 7. For this one, 2 2s are 4. 3 1s are 3. For this one, 7 2s are 14. 3 3s are 9. For this one, 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4, opposite side. For this one, followed by minus, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, opposite side. For this one, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. So minus 9. Now, 8 minus 7, 1. 6 minus 3, 3, followed by minus. 21 minus 12, 9. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. I have 1 minus, it will be plus 1. Minus and minus plus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 14 minus 9 is 5 followed by minus. 3 minus 4 will be minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 followed by minus, so minus and minus plus. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Outer I have 1 minus, so minus and minus plus 1. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. This is what your Aij for finding adjoint Aij whole transpose. For finding adjoint A, take the transpose for the cofactor matrix. This is a cofactor matrix. What is the transpose? Write the first row become first column for adjoint A. Second row become second column. Third row become third column. I got adjoint A finally by taking transpose for the cofactor matrix. Now inverse. I know my determinant value, which is 2 not equal to 0, and adjoint A I have. Just replace here. Now A inverse will be 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Okay. What is determinant A? This is 2. For adjoint A, I have 1, 1, minus 1 in the first row, minus 3, 1, 1 in the second row, 9 minus 5 minus 1 in the third row. That's all. See, in this case, we are finding the inverse for 3 by 3 matrix. Step 1. Let us take the given matrix as A. The formula is A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Very first find out determinant A. Whether determinant A not equal to 0, you can find the inverse. In this case, determinant A will be 2, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Second step, we want to find out the adjoint A. For adjoint A, we want to find out the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix Aij. Each element just leave the respective row and column. Balance 2 by 2 will come, followed by plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. And here expand each 2 by 2. Don't forget about this minus lies outside. Okay. Simplify. For finding adjoint A, taking a transpose for the cofactor matrix. A inverse formula is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Just replace determinant A value and adjoint A. This is what the final answer. Now we are going to verify whether the answer is correct or not. How to verify? The checking process. Just multiply the first row from A and first column from A inverse. 2, 1. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 3. It will be minus 9. 1 into 9. It will be plus 9. 2 I am getting. From second row from A, second column from A inverse. Multiply. 3 ones are 3. 4 ones are 4. 1 5s are minus 5. That is minus 5. So 7. 7 minus 5 will be 2. Now the last step. Take the third row from A, third column from A inverse. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 7 into 1 gives plus 7. 2 into minus 1 gives minus 2. 7 minus 3 minus 2, 2. All the value which is equal to determinant A value, of course. So the final answer is correct.